Let me explain the plugin parameters and the most essential ones. So on the Tomazella MZ core, the main plugin here, the playtest session is meant for you, the builder of the game, to playtest it quicker, and these options will not be on the finished game. The next session is player benefit. This will help the player. You can remove gold stack limits, item limits. You can change dash mode to toggle instead of holding, much better, and can make players run always. It's well explained here, and you can also use. The next one is game speed. This game speed option is available for the player, not only for developers. So it will allow the player to grind quickly or go through endless conversations quickly. I hate conversations. So if you're like me, just enable this. If you don't want it, just disable it. And then the message enhancement. Here you can set auto wrap, so you can do whatever you want with text codes or messages. You can make them longer, and it will auto adjust to the window. And also show icons. This is slash here, class, skill, item, and such, and slash I is for icons. So next one is the map core plugin that is part of this free tier. On this map core there are mainly three functions. The first one is the sliding functions, so you can make tags like a terrain tag here. You go to tile sets, the terrain tag is this one. So like my dungeon here, if I set terrain tag to a number like 7, like I said, put there. I can make any tile slidable. You can change the tag here. You can also make a region sliding. So instead of using a terrain, I want, oh, just those tiles here will be slidable. So I can choose the region to be slidable, set the region like 1, and the player will slide here. Sliding frame is just what frame it will be used. And the sliding speed, if you leave at 0, is the player current speed, and the higher you set is the higher they will slide. And then you have event and icons text here. That is the floating icons or text above the events. You can choose the default positions for everything, but you can also set the positions based on the tags here. You can just see the tags on the help file here, like icon, or you can choose the animation, the position here, or the size here. Everything is explained here, so you can choose. And if you want to hide an icon or text, you just put no icon or no text. And one of the most amazing things you can do, you can add the icon or the text on comments. And if you do something like this and change the icon here, let's try this here, it will change here on the page. And when the event gets here, it will change again for this one. So you can have the way you want with conversations or events to show tags or show icons and text. Go to the link in the description, scroll down a bit, download now, take me to the downloads, download, choose whatever you want if it asks for download, extract the folder. You can just open your RPG Maker MZ and drag and drop the game dot into that, and that's it. How to put the plugins inside your project. Just go to this project, to the expo, go on game, open project folder, go to the JS folder here, plugins. You can just copy those two here. Then you go to your other game, do the same, game, open project folder, JS, plugins, paste them here, and when you go to the plugin setting here, you can just add, double clicking and selecting the plugins here, so you can use them on your game. And remember, click here to follow Tomazella Games and get all my new plugins and plugins update for your RPG Maker MZ. See you next time.